Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Excel Planet. In this video we will see knowing formatting tools. In the last video we have seen tables. Now we are going to see how to format a range of cells, not the table. Table, it has more styles. Okay, format as table, you see you have more styles for table. For formatting you have different options. Let us go one by one. What is formatting? Formatting a worksheet is like icing on a cake. It may not be absolutely necessary, but it can make the end product a lot more attractive. In worksheet, formatting can also make it easier for others to understand the worksheet purpose. Style formatting is not essential for every workbook that you develop, especially if it is for your own use. No need to create formatting, but on the other hand, it will take only few moments or minutes to apply some simple formatting. After you apply that, the formatting will remain in place without further effort on your part. Tables, it is easy to apply formatting for a table. The information I am going to tell now apply to normal range only. I show you how to work with Excel formatting tools such as font, colors, styles such as bold and italic. I also cover some styles that you can create and make formatting large amount of material in a similar way easier. How even simple formatting can significantly improve your worksheet readability. The unformat worksheet, this is unformat worksheet, is a perfect functional worksheet only. You can see employee name, employee number, date of joining, designation, etc. But it is not very readable compared to the formatted worksheet below. You see here employee master, headings have been given color, background color, font color, and the data has been colored, it has been bordered, but here there is nothing is there. So this is more readable than this one. Now how to go to the formatting tools or how to reach different formats in Excel worksheet. There are three ways to go into that. First one is home tab of the ribbon. If you click home tab, these all are formatting only. You see font, alignment, number, style, cells, editing, all these are formatting. Even the clipboard, you can copy and keep it in that place, you can use it anytime. Second option is wherever you want, you just select the cell, right click it, mini toolbar will open. You can use bold, italic, center alignment, fill color, font color, border, so many options are there. Whatever options available here, that mini options will be available here. Okay, it is in the right click. Second one. Third one is format cell dialog box. How to bring the format cell dialog box where you will have more control. You see here one small down arrow, black color arrow, that is called as dialog box launcher. Dialog box launcher. You can see here also. In these two places you can see. You can click that, it will open, or you can use the shortcut key Control 1. You see, these are the tabs available under format cells. First number, you leave it, the number is a number formatting, that is a separate item. You have a lot of number formatting options. The formatting of cells and ranges resides here. Alignment, you can align, font, different type of fonts, font size, font color, then border, then fill. All these four comes under the formatting tools, which we will see in the coming videos in detail. What is alignment, what are the fonts available, what are the borders methods to do, how to fill, and what are the styles available from this place, cell styles. All this we will see in the next videos. This is an introduction video. So using the formatting tools on the home tab provides quick access to the most commonly used formatting options. Start by selecting the cell or range, then use the appropriate tool in the font, alignment or number group. You see, just select the cell, go to home tab, click here, select whatever color you want. I will go with gray. You see, it will be grayed. Using these tools in initiative, and the best way to familiarize yourself with them is to experiment only. Enter some data, select some cell, click the controls to change the appearance. Note that some of these controls are actually drop down list. Click the small arrow on the button. You can see here, these are all drop down list. These are all drop down. Just click here, you will have more options. There are 10 font theme colors. This itself is enough. If you want more colors, you can go here, but my recommendation, no need to go here or custom colors, because themes will be based on these 10 colors only. If you change the theme by going to page layout or colors, you will be getting only these 10 colors. Then using the mini toolbar, when you right click a cell or range selection, you will get the shortcut menu. In addition, the mini toolbar appears above or below the shortcut menu. Mini toolbar for cell formatting contains the most commonly used control forms. You can see here, most commonly used forms will be here. If we use a tool on the mini toolbar, the shortcut menu disappears, but the toolbar remains visible. I am going to use this one. You see, shortcut menu disappears, but toolbar will be there. I have clicked red color, font color as red. If I type anything here, you see it will be in red. So right click, if you are using this increase size, you can see the shortcut menu will go off, but the toolbar remains visible. To hide the mini toolbar, just click in any cell or press escape. Some people find the mini toolbar distracting. Unfortunately, whenever you right click, mini toolbar will come. Excel does not provide direct way to turn it off. If you really wanted to get rid of the mini toolbar, you have to write a macro which is beyond the scope of this book and topic. It is beyond the scope of this video also. So you can right click, use the mini toolbar. Once you use any command in this shortcut menu will go off. When you want to escape, just click other cells, mini toolbar will go off. Using the format cell dialog box, formatting controls available on the home tab of the ribbon are sufficient most of the time, but sometimes some types of formatting require that you use format cell dialog box. This tabbed dialog box lets you apply nearly any type of stylish formatting and number formatting. Formats that you choose in the format cell dialog box apply to all the cells that you have selected at the time. Later sections in this chapter, in this video, cover the tab of the format cell dialog box. These are the 4 tabs which will be used for formatting. As I said, we will see how to use these tabs in the future videos. After selecting the cell or range to format, you can display the format cell dialog box by pressing Ctrl 1 or by clicking the dialog box launcher, or by going to some places you can go, more options will be there. More command in some of the drop down controls in the ribbon. Home, font, border, more borders. For example, if you go to border, home, font, font group, border command, if you go here more borders, it will open the format cells dialog box. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you would have understood this. Please like and share this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel Excel Planet. The next video we will see how to use different fonts and different tabs of the format cells dialog box. Thank you.